So this looks like a government building, some sort of support service. So this is modern Newport city center. I don't know what it is, but I'm going back at station. I have bought a ticket to Cardiff return. It is £6.40. These are the ticket gates. I have to put my ticket and Cardiff center. Okay, these are ticket gates. Train is going to Fishguard 12:31. My train is next 12:43. So sorry, 12:36 Cardiff Central. So we expected 12:40, 4 minutes delay. So I will take the train going to Cardiff Central. Cardiff Central 12:40. So it is 4 minutes delayed. So it is beautiful, excellent, same train. So same type of seats. It's looking like first class. I got this train, got down this train from in Cardiff. So it is just, like 12:40. So it is 12:55. 10-15 minutes train journey from Newport. It's very close. £6.40 is the return ticket. So I will go back to Newport and then from Newport to Bristol in the evening. So now I go to Cardiff and I will see. Now I will spend time in Cardiff, or first I will go to Swansea, come back, and then I spend time in Cardiff. So I'm not sure. Depends on the National Express buses. See the beautiful buildings, all high-rise buildings in Cardiff. So BBC building, so Clayton Hotel, and I saw all other Premier Inn and Radisson Blu hotels, big buildings. So now I am in Cardiff. So I am visiting first time this Wales, Cardiff, Newport, so and Swansea. This is Cardiff Central train station. I am going out of Cardiff Central train station. So I have to use my card ticket from this. So this is my ticket. So I have to use this ticket to go out of station. So I have to put like this, and ticket will not come. Yeah. So see the beautiful station once again, excellent station with great display boards. You can see both languages, English and Wales. So these are the gates. M&S food is available in the station. See the roof and everything excellent. W.S. Smith, Costa Coffee. So upper crust, all are available. Platform 1 to 8. The customer information. So I took some information from here to go to important places in Cardiff, like Sophia Gardens is where that National Express bus starts to Swansea, and Cardiff Cricket Stadium. So and one bay and one beautiful park and museum. So I will see. Yes, I came out of the station. See the buildings, beautiful buildings, BBC. This is Cardiff bus interchange. So now I am planning to go to Sophia Gardens. So where I can take bus to Swansea. Swansea is the place, city. This is Cardiff Central, center of the city, I think so. So again, see, I see Greggs, Boots, Starbucks, so everywhere. So after living here for some time, we think that all towns, cities, they look similar. So it is everywhere in every country. Even in US, if we go to cities, we visit, all downtowns look similar with same type of offices, same type of hotels, restaurants, buildings, buses. So it is same. So one country follows the same pattern. So each country is different.
Turn right onto Wood Street.
So this is government building. Wales government. So I have to turn on Wood Street as per Google. So I am taking right. I have train at 2:20. so I have plenty of time. So by the time I reach Sofia Gardens, it is like only mostly half an hour. So I heard that cricket stadium is also there. So I just visit cricket stadium and I take a bus to Swansea. So Swansea is a city where I got admission into MBA, but I didn't join in the year 2002. Instead, I have joined Retail College because it is related to my subject.
Turn left onto Westgate Street.
Yeah. So is a Burger King is there. Excellent Burger King. I mean to say it's ambience. See the building. So I have to turn left here. So there are also buses, but I will just walk. It's 1.5 kilometers. In the return, if I don't have energy, I will see. So now it is better to walk and have a nice weather. I am not even wearing jacket. So it is excellent weather. See the buses. Orange color, yellow, blue color. So very good. This is a stadium Principality Stadium. So all types of sports and games are conducted here. This is close to train station, Cardiff Central Station. So see the Cardiff. So all big buildings, excellent landscape. So everything is looking fine here. You see, left side is one road and right side is one road. See the beautiful building in the middle. This bus is going to Porth. So there is a Perth in Scotland. Here it is Porth. Looks like this is castle, Cardiff Castle. I don't know, or park maybe. So I will explore when I come back from Swansea. Yeah, this is park. Beautiful, big trees, big park. So these are the bus stops. Now I am 700 meters away from Sofia Gardens, so where I have to take National Express. So this is the first time I am taking a National Express. That means bus in UK. It's white color, beautiful color bus. So from here Swansea will take 1 hour. By train it might take 30 minutes or 40 minutes, but I want to experience the bus here. So I lived here for 5 years, 5+ years, but never took a bus. So that is the reason I just want to take a bus. See the river, but looks like canal, polluted. But still people are boating, going on boats. I am entering into Sofia Gardens. So where I have to take a bus. From here it is 500 meters, but I am going through a beautiful park. So in the middle of Cardiff city. So very big trees. So see the sounds of birds, small birds. So I am close to Sofia Gardens. I was just double checking with one guy, English guy. So he said he's close by. I don't know, it is 1.5 kilometers from Cardiff Central Station. So it is very far. If you have any luggage, so definitely you have to take taxi. So that is not recommended because here it is expensive. But see the beautiful houses here. So just in the park. So they get pure oxygen. So now I take a return ticket to Swansea. So it is 1 hour journey bus journey from here, but I am very much looking forward for this journey because this is the first time I am taking National Express. So that is bus or coach. They call coach because if it is long distance they call coach. If it is within the city they call bus, or within the small villages. So this is long distance. So coach.